Are you tired of these themes that do not fit well on mobile devices? Are there any store layout settings you would like to change and don't know how? Do you want to set up your e-commerce website and don't know where to start? Then you are in the right place. Any problem you have with Prestashopcan be solved. I will install and customize your website to be completely modern, responsive, and user-friendly. Did you know that having a professional and responsive website increases significantly your conversion rate? I know you do, and yes, it's true. How it works. Contact me and explain your website issues or ideas. I will send you a custom offer just for your requirements without any commitment. You will get your job done in little time. My main goal is to get 100% of your satisfaction. That's why I offer unlimited revisions. Don't wait longer and start increasing your sales today. Contact me.